Sal. I work here in Korea, and here are 5 of my weekly lunches, Monday through to Friday. There are over 20 different dishes that we eat on a regular basis here in Korea. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Let's start with Monday. A little bit boring. We've got some plain rice, but that's for a reason. It is the hottest time of the year, and on the hottest time of the year, you eat chicken soup in Korea. Or like a samgyetang, which is like a whole chicken in a soup. This one is shredded chicken in a soup. So there we've also got some meatballs with a tomato sauce. Very tasty. Anchovies with cornflakes and a sort of almost a cucumber kimchi. And the plain rice. But this is a fancy one today. That is a great meal. And we're inside when the hottest day. It's also the rainiest time of the year. So I'm inside, not out in the beautiful sun. And here we have jaeukbokkeum spicy stir-fried pork. It is easily one of my favorite, and I've cooked it here on the channel. Stir-fried lather, sort of fish cake basically. Now I don't know what this is called, and neither did my wife, so we put down just some question marks, but it's a dish. It's almost like a mushroom type dish. And here we have doenjang jjigae, which is soybean stew with some assorted Korean greens, almost like a spinach there. For Wednesday, we have a chicken cutlet. Cutlet is always great, and that's served with almost like a little bit of a barbecue sauce. You can sometimes we get this with pork. This time we have it with chicken. We have cream with that fish cake again and little sausages. We've got potato that's been fried up like this with a spicy sweet sauce on top. And this is just a salad. There's a lot of cabbage in it, but very refreshing. And there's a pile of radish. So that's radish with dried pollock. That's the fish that's in it. The rains are gone and I'm back outside, and we're starting off with duck. Smoked duck in Korea is always good. I love buying duck and usually cutting it up and cooking it at home whenever we can get it on sale. With our duck, we're also about to see some seasoned seaweed coming up. There it is there. So that's actually, yeah, little bits of seaweed. Very good. We've got a spicy tofu dish, and we've got something called kimmari on the side there, and that's noodles, glass noodles wrapped in seaweed and then deep fried so it's nice and crispy. And those are really delicious. And sometimes you can get them where they're a bit spicy. And the thing we just missed was a dumpling egg soup. Friday, and we have a very interesting one, which is, are we going to start with that? We are. It's the battered flatfish. This was actually really delicious and very tasty because it's quite salty, which is what we like. Here we have our dok galbi, which is the ground up meat patty using short rib. We've got minari, which type of green leaf vegetables, a potato croquette, and a bean sprout soup there with little bits of fish in it. So there we go. That's my week of eating, and it was a good week. Any week where you get that chicken soup is a great time because I feel like it's a special dish. We really do only get it at this time of the year. So whenever I see it, I know that number one, we're in the middle of summer. Number two, I also know that means the end of summer is coming soon. So it's a little bit bittersweet. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching. Hit subscribe if you're interested in Korean food. I cook a new Korean dish every week. And enjoy your lunches and have a great day. Thanks for watching.